Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and sell crypto on Kraken Pro. So go ahead and open it up. Okay. And you're gonna verify via facial recognition. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna of course select the crypto. Let's say for example, I'm gonna select the ETH, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy it, and by buying it, I'm gonna select basically the type of trade, trailing stop limit, iceberg, or take profit limit, or limit or stop loss, or market, okay, to hold or sell. So I'm gonna enter the amount of money, let's say for example 1 USD, and I'm gonna set of course my take profit or my stop loss, okay, in order to just to stop the bleeding if I, or stop the profit if I got a profit or a loss out of this trade. Okay, next what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and hit sell right here at the bottom, right, onto that crypto, and do the same thing, right? You're gonna choose of course the type of trade, spot or margin, and you're gonna of course select the trade type. You can select same as always, like iceberg, take profit limit, whatever that may be, and of course select the amount of dollars that you want to trade in with. Okay, let's say for example $1, and that will equal this amount of ETH, right? And obviously set the take profit and stop loss to stop the bleeding of your loss on this trade, or you can stop the basically profit if it hits a certain limit. Okay, be advised, this is not a financial advice, so basically do your own research and before you make any move. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.